important human body MCQs. MCQs number 1. What is the body temperature of normal man? 36.9 is correct. MCQs number 2. Which of the following help in clotting of blood? Vitamin K. Option D is correct. Vitamin K. MCQs number 3. Total volume of blood in normal adult human being is 5 to 6 liter. Option A is correct. 5 to 6 liters. MCQs number 4. Red blood corpuscles are formed in bone marrow. Option B is correct. Bone marrow. MCQs number 5. How many bones are there in adult human beings? 206. Option C is correct. 206. MCQs number 6. The pancreas secretes insulin. Option A is correct. Insulin. MCQs number 7. Tibia is a bone found in leg. Option C is correct. Leg. MCQs number 8. The largest part of human brain is the cerebrum. Option C is correct. Cerebrum. MCQs number 9. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Calcium phosphate. Option B is correct. Calcium phosphate. MCQs number 10. The main constituent of hemoglobin is iron. Option B is iron. 11. The main function of kidney is to remove waste product from body. C is correct. MCQs number 12. The function of hemoglobin is transportation of oxygen in blood. Option A is correct. 13. Which of the following glands secrete tears? Lacrimal. Option A is correct. MCQs number 14. Which is the largest gland in human body? Liver. Option B is correct. Liver. MCQs number 15. Which is the largest organ in human body? Skin. Option C is correct. Skin. MCQs number 16. A person of which of following blood group is called a universal donor? O. Option A is correct. O blood group is called universal donor. MCQs number 17. Which gland in human body is called a master gland? Pituitary gland. Option C is correct. Pituitary gland is called a master gland. MCQs number 18. How many bones are there in newly born infant? 300. Option D is correct. 300. MCQs number 19. Which of the following have a maximum calorific value? Carbohydrate. Option A is correct. Carbohydrates. MCQs number 20. Which of the following vitamins promote healthy function of eye in human being? Vitamin A. Option C is correct. Vitamin A. MCQs number 21. The average heartbeat per minute in normal man is 70. B is correct. 70. MCQs number 22. A person with which following blood group can receive blood of any group? A and B. Option B is correct. MCQs number 24. Which of the following disease is caused by virus? Smallpox. Option A is correct. Smallpox is caused by viruses. MCQs number 25. Medulla oblongata is a part of a human brain. Option B is correct. Brain. 27. Leukemia is a disease of blood. B is correct. Blood. MCQs number 28. Short sightedness can be corrected by using concave lens. Option B is correct. Concave lens. MCQs number 29. Trachoma is a disease of eyes. Option B is correct. Eyes. MCQs number 30. Match the following column 1 and 2. A. Beriberi vitamin A. B. Scurvy vitamin B. C. Ricket vitamin C. D. Night blindness and vitamin D. Correct option is 2 3 2 1 sorry 2 3 4 1. Option A. Beriberi vitamin B. B. Scurvy vitamin C. Vitamin D. Rickets. Night blindness vitamin A. 31. Typhoid and cholera is typical example of waterborne disease. Option C is correct. Waterborne disease. 32. Pyorrhea is a disease of gums. Option B is correct. Gums. 33. Lack of what cause diabetes? Lack of insulin. Option B is correct. Is cause diabetes. MCQ number 34. Appendix is a part of large intestine. Appendix is a part of large intestine. Option B is correct. MCQ number 35. Match the columns. Correct option is option 2 3 4 1. Option A is correct. Option A. Cataract, eyes related, jaundice, liver related, diabetes, pancreas related disease, and arthritis is a bone disease.